Selling in a no-reserve auction, this home in the sweet spot of Florida's Emerald Coast. On one side, the crystal blue Gulf, and on the other, the shore of Lake Powell. You can name the price at auction on March 28th. See the luxury upgrades throughout the home. Why this location is one of the most valuable in the 30A area of Florida. The high-performance amenity that's included, elevating life on the lake. And the details of the auction, how you can bid and win this waterfront residence. The home blends relaxed coastal design with effortless livability. Step inside to an open, light-filled living room that flows into a gourmet kitchen anchored by an oversized island. The dining area captures peaceful water views, and the floor plan is designed for both everyday family life and hosting on a larger scale. The primary suite is privately positioned and generously scaled, featuring a spa-style bath with a soaking tub and oversized walk-in shower. Additional bedrooms offer flexibility for family, workspace, or whatever your lifestyle demands, while a second living room adds valuable space to relax or entertain. And as an added bonus, a fully self-contained guest suite with its own kitchen and bath, perfect for extended stays, a private office, or potential rental income. Outside, 2 covered decks and a covered patio overlook the pool, spa, and fire pit area. The private dock features a covered boat lift, and yes, the boat is included. The lake is perfect for fishing, cruising, and everyday recreation. And you're in a prime spot of the 30A corridor. Minutes to white sand beaches, boutique shopping, dining, and nearby Camp Helen State Park. Now let's talk opportunity. Auction day is March 28th. The replacement cost of this property is calculated at $5.5 million. It's currently listed at $3.95 million. The format is a no-reserve auction. Once bidding opens, the highest bidder wins. There is an early bid incentive available for offers submitted before the auction opens. The countdown is on. On March 28th, this Inlet Beach waterfront home will have a new owner. Register to bid at Auctions.